Welcome back to Growing Greater. This semester is all about building on strong roots and creating bold pathways forward. From new faces in the class of 2029 to milestones that honor 135 years of land-grant legacy, the College of Agriculture is alive with energy, and this episode is your front row seat to it all.
To start, Interim Dean Dr. Jewel Bernal is back at home at VSU. With her leadership, we're stepping into a semester full of momentum and purpose, staying true to our mission while finding new ways to serve students, families, and communities across Virginia and beyond. We caught up with Dr. Bernal to hear her thoughts on stepping back into the role of Interim Dean.
We all want to do good work. We all understand that we're here to serve others, our students, our communities, even our internal clients. And innovation is what we need to be all about. People have to understand that agriculture is really about STEM. Everything that we do is related to science, technology, engineering, and math. We have our own research farm, Randolph Farm at Virginia State, and making that a smart farm for small farmers that showcases affordable technologies. I am really excited about that.
With that kind of momentum, there's no limit to what we can accomplish this year. And that drive for innovation is already showing up in our classrooms. This fall, Family and Consumer Sciences launched the world's first HBCU studies course, giving students an opportunity to explore the legacy and impact of HBCUs. Let's take a moment to hear from Dr. Brooks on why this HBCU studies course is such a powerful addition for students.
So this course will explore how HBCUs impact families and communities. Students will learn about legacies when it comes to HBCUs and multi-generational attendance. In addition, we will look at the family culture within HBCU communities, and that will explore Greek life as well as other areas of HBCUs that contribute to that family culture within HBCU community. This is the first time this course is being offered, and I look forward to what students will gain from it and hope to get good feedback from them as we move forward with the HBCU Studies program.
Opportunities like that remind us how deeply connected our history, our students, and their futures truly are. And our focus on legacy and impact does not stop there. August marked the 135th anniversary of the Second Morrill Act, the legislation that created 1890 land-grant institutions like VSU. That history is alive in every classroom, lab, and field on our campus as we continue to break barriers and expand opportunities for the communities we serve. From legacy to lifestyle, the first Trojan Farmers Market of the semester was a success. Students, staff, and neighbors came together to explore fresh produce, local goods, and hands-on activities. A reminder of how food and community go hand in hand. And don't worry if you missed it. The market will return on September 16th with even more to explore. Success stories are everywhere you look here. Take alumnus Taekwon Good. Once a student discovering his path, now pursuing his graduate degree at UNC Greensboro, with dreams of becoming a cooperative extension specialist. His journey is proof that the right support and opportunities can grow big dreams into reality. And when it comes to making an impact beyond campus, the Excite initiative is leading the way. With Associate Dean Dr. Janine Woods and Community Health Extension Associate Tabby Pagan, this program is bridging the gap between public health and community trust. Here's what they had to say.
So Excite, or the Extension Collaboration on Immunization, Teaching, and Engagement, was created in response to COVID-19 and really focused primarily on addressing vaccine hesitancy among rural communities. But since then, it's really become a much broader effort to address vaccine hesitancy for all adult vaccines in historically underserved communities. Excite utilizes Extension's powerful relationships within communities to deliver vaccine education through trusted messengers, with the primary goal being to empower individuals to make sound vaccine-related decisions.
Our human health specialist, Tiffany Freer, worked really hard to get us Excite projects 1 through 5. And so because this is a CDC-funded project, our project actually is nationally award-winning due to all of the hard work that Tiffany has put in. And because of that hard work, we were able to then qualify qualify for this portion of the Excite funds, which has allowed us to not only be the 1890 regional coordinator, well, one of the sub-coordinators, it has really allowed us to showcase to our peers in other regions that, hey, not only did we do great on our own, but we're now doing great as a system.
That kind of dedication is what Growing Greater is all about. Using expertise and heart to make a real difference in the lives of the people we serve.
This semester is already showing what happens when passion, purpose, and community come together. Whether it's shaping the future, students stepping into their dreams, or programs making a real difference, Greater truly grows here. Stick with us for more stories and check out the full segments online to see the impact for yourself.